Hey, buying your first home can help grow equity. Meet Morgan and William. They were first-time homebuyers that were tired of paying someone else's mortgage.
One of the biggest fear factors for first-time homebuyers is finding a house that fits their budget. Everyone wonders what their monthly payment will be. Since buying a home is such a huge part of our lives, we want to give you access to their real-life case study.
So come on in and check it out.
So it was great to have Bob and Haley with us, kind of helping us navigate the process as first-time home buyers. Really helping us learn the process, be familiar with it, so there weren't any surprises.
I would agree and add that it was a very smooth home buying process for us.
Gotta love it.
We looked at 5 houses in one weekend and found a house that was not only in our budget but under budget, and we had no paperwork issues from there.
Perfect. That's obviously key, staying under budget.
So we are giving back. I give back 1% of my commission to Happiness Through Horses. They are a program outside of Firestone that work with at-risk preteens and teens. So these are kids that have depression. They may have tried to commit suicide. They have some mental health issues. So the program is really great. They sit down, talk about different topics like dealing with stress, and then they use the horses in the therapy piece.
So let's see some of the highlights. They bought this house with just 10% down, and they have no monthly mortgage insurance. And what's probably most impressive, we were able to show them how they could shave 56 months off their mortgage, saving them over 58 grand in interest.
Awesome. So if you're ready to make your dream home a reality and get into the home of your dreams just like William and Morgan did, we encourage you to start today. You'll be happy you did. Go ahead, click the button below to book your free, no obligation strategy call.
We look forward to helping you out.